this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to charge your iPhone much faster. If you would subscribe to the channel, it will help me out a lot. So one of the first thing is to, for example, just turn on airplane mode, and that way it will charge faster because it's not receiving anything. Another way is to go to your settings. Once you're in your settings, scroll down until you see battery. You would click on battery, and you would want to click on battery health and charging. And basically here you want to disable the optimized battery charging, because Apple does this to reduce battery aging, because iPhone learns from your daily charging routine, so they can finish charging past 80% until you need to use it. Now, sometimes this can be great, sometimes it's not. If they recognize you, like, oh, you're not going somewhere, but you actually are in a hurry, they're going to limit it to 80%, and that could be a problem for you potentially. But this is a simple and easy way to fix it. To charge your phone faster. Another way, you can just turn off your phone and it's going to also charge faster. And that's it. Thank you for this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some issues or questions, let me know in the comments down below.